Have you noticed how around 7 p.m.ish every evening you seem to be a little fatter? That's called bloating. And thousands and thousands and thousands of people have this. It is a result of what you eat, how you eat, when you eat, and what's in your kitchen. Many people struggle with it. Sometimes it can be really embarrassing, as that little bit of methane wants to escape from your backside and there is something important going on, and you start calculating the geography of the room and whether you can make it to the balcony in time. And many times it works and you can release, and many times it doesn't, and it can be quite embarrassing. We've written a new book. It's called The Bloat Fix. It has fascinating science, our characteristic writing style, which means as you read it, you will feel as if Dinesh and I are actually talking to you, and absolutely practical tips about what you can do to reduce, minimize, or even eliminate that bloat, so that you finally are confident and your jeans and your pants don't fight with you in the evening. It's available on the Amazon platform worldwide. Buy it, read it, leave us a review, much appreciated. All the best, and here is to a healthy gut, which means you have a healthy body and a healthy mind.